Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by giving Zarchiver the rights it needs. This is the fastest fix. Open Settings, go to Apps, pick Zarchiver, then grant storage or manage all files permission, because without it the app cannot read or write. On Android 11 or later, you may instead use the Storage Access Framework. Choose a folder when Zarchiver prompts. Once done, restart the app so Android applies permissions. Make sure the app shows granted status before proceeding to extraction. Next, you handle detailed access paths by using the Storage Access Framework inside Zarchiver. When opening an archive, choose Open with SAF or select Folder and navigate to the exact directory you want. This lets Android hand Zarchiver a persistent URI permission. If working on an SD card, make sure you grant access to the card root, otherwise writes will fail. Once you assign the folder, set it as the default extraction path, so future tasks run without extra prompts or permission gaps. To finish, verify operations and fix lingering errors. Test an extraction to the chosen folder. If you still see access denied, clear Zarchiver cache and app data, then reopen and regrant permissions so tokens refresh. If that fails, uninstall and reinstall Zarchiver. Make sure to repeat the SAF selection. One key troubleshooting tip if access keeps failing. Try extracting to internal storage, first to confirm the problem is SD card or permission specific. Then adjust.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.